Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wisdom IQ. In this video, I will discuss about the national parks of India. A lot of questions are asked from national parks in the various government competitive exams. So it is a very important topic and I will cover half of the national parks in this video and the remaining ones will be covered in the second part. And regarding national parks, you just have to remember the name of the states to which the national parks belong. And if any national park is made for any particular kind of species, you have to remember that also. So let's start. Here you can see I have marked all the national parks on this map. So this will be really helpful for you. You will be easily able to memorize the national parks. These are the national parks of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And this map is for your practice. Where is the Indira Priyadarshini Pench National Park located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh and some of its part is in Maharashtra where it is called Pench Jawaharlal Nehru National Park. Where is the Govind Pashu Vihar National Park located? It is located in Uttarakhand. Where is the Singalela National Park located? It is located in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. Where is the Mukurthi National Park located? It is located in Tamil Nadu and it is famous for Nilgiri Tahar. Nilgiri Tahar is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Where is the Mount Harriet National Park located? It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Where is the Salim Ali National Park or City Forest National Park located? It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. And who was Salim Ali? Salim Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist. He was also known as the Birdman of India. Where is the Pampadam Shola National Park located? It is located in Kerala. Where is the Rajaji National Park located? It is located in Uttarakhand and it is named after C. Rajgopalachari. Where is the Kalesar National Park located? It is located in Haryana. Where is the Clouded Leopard National Park located? It is located in Tripura and it is famous for clouded leopards. Where is the Madhav National Park located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Dibru Saikhova National Park located? It is located in Assam. Where is the Gugamal National Park located? It is located in Maharashtra. Where is the Bandipur National Park located? It is located in Karnataka. Where is the Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park located? It is located in Telangana and the state animal of Telangana is Chittal, that is spotted deer. Where is the Galathea National Park located? It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Where is the Gorumara National Park located? It is located in West Bengal. Where is the Vansada National Park located? It is located in Gujarat. Where is the Kanchenjunga National Park located? It is located in Sikkim and its name has been derived from Kanchenjunga Mountains. Kanchenjunga Mountain is the highest mountain peak in India and the third highest in the world. Where is the Desert National Park located? It is quite easy to guess. It is in Rajasthan and it is famous for critically endangered Great Indian Bustard and currently their number is said to be around 150 worldwide. Where is Namdapha National Park located? It is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the Rajbari National Park located? It is located in West Bengal and it is famous for bison and the state animal of Tripura is Fire's leaf monkey. Where is the Mathiketan Solar National Park located? It is located in Kerala. Where is the Kuno National Park located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh and it is the latest national park of India. There are 105 national parks in India, so it is the 105th national park of India. Where is the Middle Button Island National Park located? It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Where is the Neora Valley National Park located? It is located in West Bengal. Where is the Inktanki National Park located? It is located in Nagaland. Where is the Jim Corbett National Park located? It is located in Uttarakhand and It is the first national park of India, and it was established in 1936, and earlier it was known as the Heli National Park, and it is famous for endangered Bengal tiger of India. And also this national park was the first national park in India to launch a Project Tiger Conservation Initiative. Where is the Kheer Ganga National Park located? It is located in Himachal Pradesh. Where is the Mragavani National Park located? It is located in Telangana, and it is famous for chittal, that is spotted deer. Where is the Muddumalai National Park located? It is located in Tamil Nadu. Where is the Kaziranga National Park located? It is located in Assam, and it is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Where is the Ranthambore National Park located? It is located in Rajasthan. Where is the Kebul Lamjao National Park located? It is located in Manipur, and it is famous for Sangai deer. Sangai deer is also known as the dancing deer, and it is the state animal of Manipur. And remember one important thing, Kebul Lamjao National Park is the only floating national park in the world. Where is the Bal Pakram National Park located? It is located in Meghalaya. Where is the Mahatma Gandhi Meral National Park located? It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Where is the Papikonda National Park located? It is located in Andhra Pradesh. Where is the Guru Ghasidas National Park located? It is located in Chhattisgarh. Where is the Annamalai National Park or Indira Gandhi National Park located? It is located in Tamil Nadu, and it is located in the Annamalai Hills, that is the Elephant Mountain in Coimbatore. Where is the Pin Valley National Park located? It is located in Himachal Pradesh. Where is the Sundarban National Park located? It is located in West Bengal, and it is famous for Royal Bengal tigers. And the mangrove vegetation of Sundarbans is the largest in the world. What is the mangrove vegetation? Mangrove vegetation is a shrub or a small tree that grows in the coastal saline or brackish water. The mangrove vegetation is generally found where the sea water meets the river water. Where is the Sanjay Gandhi National Park or Borivali National Park located? It is located in Maharashtra. Where is the Keola Dev National Park located? It is located in Rajasthan, and it is famous for the migratory bird. The Siberian crane is the most important bird here. So Siberian crane covers a very long distance. It flies from Russia and Siberia to India. Where is the Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park located? It is located in Telangana, and it is named after former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Kasu Brahmananda Reddy. Where is the Indravati National Park located? It is located in Chhattisgarh. Where is the North Button Island National Park located? It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Where is the Tadoba Andhari National Park located? It is located in Maharashtra. Where is the Bandhavgarh National Park located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh, and it is famous for tigers. Where is the Nameri National Park located? It is located in Assam. Where is the Nanda Devi National Park located? It is located in Uttarakhand. And Nanda Devi is the second highest mountain in India and the 23rd highest peak in the world. Nanda Devi mountain is the part of Garhwal Himalayas range. Garhwal Himalayas are the mountain ranges located in Uttarakhand, and Garhwal Himalayas are the part of the Greater Himalaya range. Where is the Nokrek National Park located? It is located in Meghalaya. Where is the Panna National Park located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Anna Modi Shola National Park located? It is located in Kerala. So that's all in this video. Remaining national parks will be covered in the part second. And if you want the PDF of all my lectures, you can follow the Wisdom IQ channel on Telegram. The link has been provided in the description. And you can also follow Wisdom IQ channel on Instagram. The link has been provided for that in the description too. And if you got some knowledge from this video, then please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.